These are some of the, that's an industrial electrostatic.
So you guys manufacture for Watotech?
Yes. That unit will do typically around 10 tons per hour.
And what's that little thing right there?
This is a magnet. I think the rolls in it. That's a rare earth magnet. Magnetic separator. This is a lab version. Yeah. But there's a belt that goes over this. And your non-mags will, you have a splitter here, your non-mags go here, and your mags go here. And you have a Midlands too if needed to be. We're going to be testing that equipment on the electrostatic. Our newer version of electrostatic we rented out and rented, so we're going to be doing it on this older unit. It still works, same concept and everything else. Maybe I have that gate open too. Oh, there we go. Now we got something. I need to make my angle a little better. Everything's slinging off. The stat electrode is lifting for sure. Everything's slinging off. The stat electrode is lifting for sure. There's stuff coming all the way around. We haven't even tried to change the roll speeds. That's also another parameter. Everything's lifting. Oh, because we're running all the way around. Electrodes, what I did is I brought this thing down and gave it more high for it. Has more lifting area. You want to keep it the same voltage or you want to go lower?
Should we go higher instead?
Definitely getting a lifting here a little bit. Definitely getting a lifting now. Yeah.
That's what you're expecting because the guy will charge me.
It's basic. See, now that I don't have the conductor. Yeah. Well, it depends on what this is on, but yeah. Yeah, that's your non-conductor, which it should be. We're lifting everything now. Well, no, we got a good separation now. Look.